Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome Mobile. Now, as you know, if you are on your computer, this is how you can go. Just click Manage Extensions and then just turn off the Google ad. And this will ad blocker, right? This will disable ad blocker on Google Chrome PC. On mobile, it's a little bit different, but still pretty much the same. As you can see, you'll have to go to your Chrome. From your Chrome, you have to go to three dots right here, and from there go to settings and then side settings right here. Now from there you can basically go and scroll down and you have intrusive ads, and it's below the content header, so it's towards the bottom of the left menu. From there you can just tap the toggle switch next to intrusive ads. This enables and disables Google Chrome's built-in ad blocker. If the toggle switch is turned on, any website can display any ad. If the toggle switch is turned off, intrusive ads are blocked. So this is basically the one way that you can disable ad blocker on Google Chrome Mobile. However, if you have maybe an extension like this, or maybe if you have an app that is blocking ads on your Google Chrome Mobile, then you'll have to deinstall the app or remove the app or turn off the app to make sure that you disabled your ad blocker on Google Chrome. So that's pretty much how to do it. As you can see, to re-enable the ad blocker, navigate back to this menu and tap the toggle switch next to intrusive ads to re-enable the ad blocker. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, leave a like down below, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.